Hello, and welcome to Fusion Writing, where building character meets creating structure. This is November, and this is our challenge month. We are having such a great response over in LiLLiPub. Let Victoria get us started with our Monday compass.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back. So, just a quick sneak peek of where we're headed. Since we launched our experience collection on the 1st of November over at lillipub.org, we've had a fantastic showing of people capturing their experiences one note card a day and posting them in the live feed. So, with that, I've gotten some questions. And so I want to take you through 3 areas that might help clear up either some things that people aren't sure about or some things that can help you through the process of capturing your experiences. So I'm not going to spoil it for you, but when you come back tomorrow, I'm going to give you 3 areas that can help you focus your experience challenge and that can also help you process those things that you're capturing so that at the end of the month or at the end of whenever you begin, you don't just have a big pile of note cards and not have any idea what to do with them or what they're for. We're going to answer that question tomorrow. Kathleen?
Okay, well, we're still in the character trait respect. And last week we talked about it generally, what it means, how do you spot it, what role does it play in a story? Well, now, since this is going to be the second week on it, this is where we dive a little bit deeper. We talk about the voices of respect. What does the struggle of respect sound like when it's taking place in your head? How does it feel when you're in the struggle? When you have lost the struggle or when you have won the struggle, and how different characters can have this character trait of respect in different positions in the character profile diagram. How does it show up differently depending on where it is for your character? So come on back tomorrow for a jam-packed day. See you then. Bye-bye.